Yeah, okay. Because your birthday's the 31st, right? Oh, that sucks.
You'll be alright.
I don't want to wake up an ant all over me.
Yeah, well, that way he can take off time with you and the baby.
Hey, look. Look.
Aww. Yeah.
Thanks.
Are you taking video?
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Yeah. I don't think you can sit still that long.
Thanks. Here, let's turn it this way so you can see. Look.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Look.
Well, let us know about Sunday, and then I'll definitely talk to you Friday. Alright. Alright, honey. Well, I will talk to you later. Alright, bye.
The video's gonna get, it's gonna show, you're gonna hear your phone talking.
It'll be alright.
Thanks.
You'll be like, yeah. Micah's dumbass started recording while she's on the phone, not even thinking about it.
You're almost there. Yank it.
Aw, those blocks.
She likes to play with them. They just play with them blocks.
It's perfect.
So much was giving you their freaking mess.
He's like, Mommy, you're always cleaning.
Go get it.
Mom, he was doing a damn good job on his own. I'm surprised he's not putting the paper straight to his mouth.
I know, that's what I'm surprised about. He just gave it to me.
Because you know we'll yell at him. Damien, no! Good job, Bubba!
You're almost there. Okay. You're almost there. Oh, thank you.
Good job!
Thank you. It's 50 things that is going to be scattered around the house.
50 pieces that we'll only have 22 of tomorrow.
I know.
Don't open it yet. Let him open this other present first.
Here. Yep, wait.
Here.
More.
Open.
Then you start it off.
He's going back for the other one.
Look.
There you go. Alright, I'm stopping this and I'm going to do still pictures.